everyone. See, again we are here to discuss about the statistics, in that the concept about the median. In the last class we have discussed about the mean, and here we discuss about median, and also we have discussed about the definition. What is median? It is a middlemost observation that we have discussed already, and I gave you definition of this one already in the previous classes. Okay. Median is a middlemost observation and is denoted by a letter capital M. How to find a median for ungrouped data? There are two steps I gave. Two steps are, in that the first step is arrange the data in ascending or descending order, either in ascending or in descending order. For ungrouped data, steps for finding the median for ungrouped data. Yes, arrange the data either in ascending or descending. Ascending means increasing, descending means decreasing order. Given data, given observations, we have to arrange them in either in increasing order or decreasing order, or we can say ascending or descending. Second step is count the number of observations. After counting the number of observations, if we get, there are two possibilities, we can call them as two different cases, case 1, case 2. After counting the number of observations may be even number of observations or odd number of observations. If the observations are odd, then the median is, we use this formula as the median. Median formula is n plus 1 by 2th observation. If for example, there are 5 observations, which is the middlemost, you can think, yes. So there are 5 observations, which is the middlemost. So this is the middlemost. How to find this middlemost? This is first, second, third, 4, 5. 5 observations. 5 observations are also nothing but odd number of observations. Middlemost is this one. Yes, how to find this one middlemost? 5 observations, that it is n is equal to 5. 5 plus 1, that it is 6 divided by 2. Third observation, we can call this as third. Yes, first, second, third. This third finger is called a middlemost. Yes, this is the middle one. Yes, we can call it as middlemost. Similarly, so how to find this observation? So there are 5 observations. If the observations are odd, then how to find a median? It is 5 plus 1 by 2 if it is n is equal to 5. It is one example. Okay. Whatever the observations, if the observations are odd, then we use this formula. Yes, that it is third observation. How we obtain? That it is 5 plus 1, 6. 6 divided by 2. It is called third observation. Like that, n plus 1 by 2th observation is called a median. Similarly, see, if the observations are even numbers, yes, for example, even numbers, these are the 4 observations. How to find the middlemost? Yes, 4 observations, how to find the middlemost? So 5 observations, we can neglect these 2 and we can neglect these 2. This is the middlemost. But for 4 observations, how to find the middlemost? So it is what somewhat we have to think prior to that one. We cannot get the middlemost, but these 2 can be the middlemost if we neglect these 2 ends. But median cannot be 2 values. I take the mean of these 2 values, means mean of the middlemost. If the observations are even, mean of the middlemost observations is called median. So median of, if the observations are even, then we can think about it is what? Middlemost observations, we get 2 observations as middlemost. 2 observations are middlemost. For that, how to find the median? So mean of those 2 observations. Mean means it is like arithmetic mean. What is mean? So it is a sum divided by 2. Adding those 2 divided by 2. Yes. n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. Yes, this is what finding the median for if the observations are odd, if the observations are even. Now we discuss about one example. An example, find the mean deviation about a median. Find the mean deviation about median for the ungrouped data. We are discussing about ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, see, first we have to find the median. Mean deviation about the median means first we have to find the median. How to find the median? I gave you procedure. Yes, after finding median, then we can find a mean deviation by using the formula as the sum of deviations divided by number of observations. So in the last class we have discussed about this sum of absolute deviations divided by number of observations. Okay, how to find the median for ungrouped data? Yes, first we have to arrange them in either in ascending or descending order. I arranged them in ascending order. Yes, these orders, so these observations can be written as in ascending order, means increasing order. So increasing order means first I should write smallest one. Smallest among these, as it is 3. Again one more 3 is there. As after this 3 we got 4, then 5, then 6 is not there. Okay, then 7, as 7 is there. After 7 next observation is 9, then 10, then 12, next 18, 19, 21. Just count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 observations. Again count the number of observations after writing ascending, because we may miss any observation. If you miss one observation also, so it is going to be a trouble. Yes, the problem is now solved just for because of us. So small mistakes. Okay. So there are 11 number of observations are 11. So now we go for ascending order. Again count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means we have not missed any observation. Yes, these are the 11 observations. So after finding the number of observations, as number of observations are 11, we denote it as a symbol n. Then find the median. How to find a median? Median is n plus 1 by 2th observation if the observation is odd. Yes, 11 is an odd number. So it is 11 plus 1 by 2, 12th observation, that it is 12 by 2th observation. 12 by 2 means 6th observation. OBS means observation. 6th observation. Here 6th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th observation is 9. Yes, median we have got it as 9. Okay. So first we have to count the number of observations. So before that we have to write them in ascending or descending order. I wrote in ascending order. In ascending order, after writing them in ascending order, we have to count the number of observations. Number of observations here it is 11. The observations are odd. Yes, median is by using this formula. This is a 6th observation. What is 6th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th observation is 9. Then after finding the median, then we go for finding the mean deviation. Mean deviation about the median. For this we need deviations as absolute deviations. These are the exercise given data. As given data is we have wrote in the ascending form, that only we write for xi, that it is 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 18, 19, 21. As xi minus capital M and its absolute value, because 9 is 9, sorry, M is 9, just substituting that. 3 minus 9, it is minus 6, but we are taking absolute. Absolute means magnitude and it is modulus. As difference we take 3 and 9, difference is 6. 3, 9, S 6. Like that we write all deviations. Just a difference between those xi and M. Yes, these are the deviations, absolute deviations. Now we have the formula, mean deviation formula. Yes, what is mean deviation formula? It is a sum of all deviations divided by number of observations. Sum of absolute deviations. If you add these deviations, yes, 6, 6, so this is 5, 4, 2, 1, 3, 9, 10, 12. If you add these s, you can use a simple calculator. I said already s. If you add these, we get 58. And we have the number of observations as 11. Number of observations as 11. So just substitute here 58 by 11. Use calculator. So then we can find the value of 58 by 11 is 5.27. So it is what? Mean deviation about the median. Mean deviation about the median is 5.27.